Alright guys, back at it again tonight, working on it some more, so hopefully we can get this thing finished up. And Chris is supposed to be coming over helping me do some of the piping, see if I can get that finished up, and maybe we can get it going. Alright guys, we are getting there, getting close, got to fill in some spots here and there.
All weird.
Most important one. It's a beast!
Guten Tag.
Oh man, that was perfect. Right, there it is.
Just look at it.
Fully sticker bombed hood with its pipe sticking out of it. However, we have nice warning signs. Danger, fragile, an already dead finger, freedom. That does not go there. Alright, so right here we're going to end up cutting out some of this metal in order for our pipe to go up. So we got the aerosol ready to go. Alright guys, so this works pretty good on straight pieces. However, if we're trying to cut near a bend or in a bend, this is the way to go, and I'm sure this is extremely safe. Do not try this at home. Unless you're at my house. So we got a button here and a zip tie.
Thank you. Thank you for watching.
You can't see nothing.
Dude, I gotta be there.
Alright guys, so we needed one little more length of pipe, and I just so happen to have a 2.5 inch hose here that seems to be perfect exact size that we needed. So this might actually work. So we got the pipe hooked up, blow off valve is on. There's our rubber pipe there. Got the wastegate line hooked up. So we got our T's in. Now I'm gonna throw a gauge on here just so we can see what's going on, and we're gonna try this thing, I think.